Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is a part 2 of my Nykaa haul, Nykaa Hot Pink sale haul. So this time during Nykaa Hot Pink sale, I did a lot of shopping and I didn't want to show all the products in one haul because video बहुत लंबा हो जाता. So I divided the video into two parts. So part 1 of this haul is already up on my channel. I'll link that video here and in the description box for you. And this is the second part. And so in the second part, I'll show you all the lip products I got during this sale. I actually didn't realize that I bought these many lip products, but जब मैं haul के लिए इकट्ठा कर रही थी सामान तभी मैंने realize किया that I have a lot of lip products. So I thought in the part 2 I'll show only the lip products which I got. So if you're interested to know what all lip products I got during Nykaa Hot Pink sale, please keep on watching this video. So first I got these two lipsticks from MAC. These are their matte lipsticks. So I got two shades. First one is Whirl and second one is Taupe. So both of these shades are very famous and I wanted to get these shades from long time. But I was postponing that purchase, but during this sale there was a very good offer on MAC where if you buy 3 products you'll have to pay for 2 only, like buy 2 get 1 free. Generally जो MAC पे offer रहता है ना वो ऐसा रहता है like if you buy 2 products you'll get 1 lipstick free, but that lipstick will not be of your choice. But this time it was like if you buy 3 products you'll have to pay for only 2. So that's why I got these during this sale time. So I got these 2 shades and मैंने concealer purchase किया था which I've already shown you in the other part. So this is the lipstick. So it comes in this kind of outer packaging. And let me show you how it looks from inside. I think you might already have seen MAC की सारी लिपस्टिक इसी तरह से दिखती हैं. So this is the inner packaging. Let me give you a swatch of both of this lipstick. So first shade is Whirl. Both of these shades are very pretty nude shade. So this is the shade Whirl. So the next shade is Taupe. It's a brown nude, like brown nude with peach undertones. So this one is the shade Whirl. It's a pink nude shade you can see with little bit of brown tones to it, and this one is peachy brown nude shade. This is the shade Taupe. Both of these shades are very pretty and very famous shade actually. और इसीलिए मुझे उनको try करना था, so I bought these. Next I have this lipstick from Smashbox. This is their always on liquid lipstick and this one I have in the shade Best Life. Now I bought Smashbox foundation which I've already shown you in the other video. So Smashbox पे offer था if you buy 3000 rupees worth product you'll get full size lipstick free. So जब मैंने foundation purchase किया I got this one as free. So इसमें कुछ shades थे उसमें से आपको choose करना था. So I chose the shade Best Life and I think it's a pretty shade. I really like the shade. Let me give you a swatch and then I'll talk about the lipstick. So this is the shade Best of Life. It's actually a pretty shade. I really like this shade. Now जो always on liquid lipstick है ना Smashbox ये बहुत जल्दी dry हो जाती है. I have the mini sizes of this lipstick. I have 4 shades in the mini size और उसमें से एक lipstick already dry हो चुकी है और मैंने उसको 1-2 बार ही use किया था और बाकी भी ना dry होने वाली हैं. तो that's why I don't like these lipsticks. Like I don't like to invest in full size of this lipstick because इतनी जल्दी dry हो जाती है and it's a very expensive product. I think it retails for 2000 or something. इस पे price लिखा हुआ I think इस पे price mention नहीं है but I know that it retails for some 2100 or 2300 or something like that. So it's a very expensive lipstick and if you buy this lipstick और अगर dry हो जाए तो it will be very bad. So that's why I never invest in full size lipstick from Smashbox. But इसमें free मिल रही थी तो I thought कि why not. But अगर आपको try करनी है ना Smashbox के lipstick so I would recommend go for mini sizes because बहुत ही जल्दी dry हो जाता है formula. Lipstick काफ़ी अच्छी है, formula काफ़ी अच्छा है but बहुत जल्दी dry हो जाता है. So don't go for full size. At least मैं तो आपको suggest नहीं करूँगी. Now the next lipstick is this one from Lime Crime. Lime Crime का कोई भी product मैंने अब तक use नहीं किया है. This is my first purchase. So I got this lipstick from them. There was a very good discount. I think 40% discount was there on this lipstick. The actual price of this lipstick is 1900 rupees and I think I got it for 1100 or something. So there was a very good discount and that's why I bought it. And I got the shade Cindy and this is the shade I'm wearing actually on my lips. It's a very nice again peachy brown nude shade. So Let me show you actually. So this is the outer packaging. It's a very pretty packaging. I really like the outer packaging of this lipstick. And let me show you how it looks from inside. Again, a very pretty packaging. I really like this cap of this lipstick. So it comes in this frosted bottle. So frosted bottle है तो इतनी clearly आपको shade visible नहीं होता है, but you can see on my lips. This is the shade I'm wearing. It's a very pretty shade, right? I really like the shade, and the the formula also I really like it's a liquid lipstick, but it's not drying on the lips. I'm wearing this lipstick from like 2-3 hours. I already had my lunch and it still looks really good, and it's a transfer proof lipstick. It doesn't transfer, so that is also a very good thing. Now I have one more lipstick from high-end category, which is this one from Huda Beauty. Is their demi matte lipstick. So Huda Beauty की जो दूसरी liquid lipstick है वो मैंने try करी हुई है, but I have not tried this demi matte formula. So I wanted to try this. Last time भी ना sale time में मैंने purchase किया था, but उसकी जो expiry date थी ना, that was very near, so I returned that. And this time I bought it. अभी भी इसकी expiry date मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा तो time नहीं बचा है, like it will expire in November 22, but I thought it's okay since I got a good offer. I think I got it on 50% discount or something, so that's why I thought ki let it be. So I got this one in the shade Shio. I hope that's how you pronounce this. So let me swatch it for you. मैंने भी अभी तक इसको open करके swatch करके नहीं देखा है, but I know that this is a very good shade. It's a very nice formula. Like ऐसे swatch करके पता चल गया कि कितना beautiful formula है. So this is the shade Shio. Now I have a few lipsticks from kind of drugstore category. So first one is this one from Color Bar. It's their Sinful Matte Lip Color. It comes in this outer packaging. The outer packaging is so nice. Like it gives you a very luxurious feel. I think because the packaging and all is really good, and that's how you open it. And here is the lipstick. Again from inside also it looks very pretty. So this one is not a new formula. This lipstick formula is there in the market from really long time. और जब से ये launch हुआ था मेरे को तब से इसको purchase करना था. But it's a very expensive lipstick. This one retails for 1200 rupees, and I was not like, I didn't want to spend 1200 rupees on this lipstick, so that's why I didn't purchase it. उसके बाद मैंने बहुत बार देखा offer में, and I felt like purchase कर लूँ. बहुत बार मुझे मन किया, but मैंने नहीं किया परचेज इसको. बट फाइनली दिस टाइम आई गॉट दिस. मुझे लगा कि अब टाइम आ ही गया है कि ट्राई कर ही लूँ, बिकॉज आई लव लिपस्टिक यू गाइज. लाइक आई लव कलेक्टिंग लिपस्टिक. आई लव ट्राइंग different lipsticks. I have a lot of lipstick. Like I can't even give you the count of lipsticks I own. I know nobody needs those many lipsticks, but I love them. Like lipsticks and eyeshadows are my weakness, and I always wanting to try new formulas, new shades and all. So yeah, finally I got this one. So this one is the shade Nasty. मैंने इसके swatches देखे थे, and then I thought I'll buy this one. I wanted to buy some more shades, but I thought कि परचेज करते हैं, then we will see कि और चाहिए या नहीं. So this is the shade Nasty. It's a very pretty shade. Yeah, it's exactly how I thought it would be. It's a very pretty shade, and the formula is very creamy and the pigmentation is really good. और इसका जो bullet है ना वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. Like काफ़ी पाउडर मैट काइंड ऑफ लग रहा है बुलेट. जब आप बुलेट को देखोगे तो यू विल फील कि इट्स अ पाउडर मैट लिपस्टिक, बट आई डोंट थिंक इट्स अ पाउडर मैट. इट फील्स लाइक अ क्रीमी मैट लिपस्टिक ओनली, बट मोर ऑन मैट साइड देन क्रीमी साइड. सो या, I am very excited to try this lipstick on my lips actually. So next I got this lipstick from Nykaa. It's from their So Matte range. This one is in the shade 12M Trop Thrill. So I wanted to try this shade actually. It's a very beautiful nude shade and I wanted to try this, so that's why I got it. So this is the shade Top Thrill. Let me swatch it for you. Again, it's not a new range, like it's there in the market from long time. This is the shade Top Thrill. I have other shades from this lipstick range, and it's a good lipstick. Like it's a good creamy matte lipstick, and I wanted to try this shade, so that's why I purchased this. And I think it's a nice nude shade. By the way, with the Color Bar lipstick, I got this free. This is the Color Bar nail paint remover. and it's a good remover. Like if you're looking for a good nail paint remover, check this out. It's a good nail paint remover, and you get a lot of product, and it's not very expensive, I guess. Yeah, this one retails for 125 rupees, and how much ml you get? You get 110 ml. It's a good remover, and you get a lot of product, I feel. So the next lipstick which I got is from Faces Canada. It's their Ultime Pro Intense Matte Lip Color. I have already tried this lipstick formula, and this formula is really good. It's a very nice crayon lipstick. I have, I think, two shades from this lipstick range, and this time I got the shade Natural Cocoa. So this is the shade Natural Cocoa. Actually, I thought this lipstick shade will be more on cool tone side, but it's a warm tone lipstick, but that's okay. I think the shade is very nice, so I think I'll enjoy this shade. Next, I got these two lip products from Flower Beauty. This one is their lip liner, Petal Pout Lip Liner, and this one is the liquid lipstick, Miracle Matte liquid lipstick. Now Flower Beauty पे ना बहुत अच्छा ऑफर चल रहा था, like 70% ऑफ चल रहा था कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स पे. मैंने कुछ और भी प्रोडक्ट्स परचेज किए थे, बट व्हाट हैपेंड ना कि जब मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स रिसीव किए तो उनकी एक्सपायरी डेट ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा पास थी. लाइक फ्यू ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स वर एक्सपायरिंग इन दिस ईयर ओनली, October this year, and few other products were expiring in January 2020 or something like that. So I placed return request for those products. I actually have those products here with me, but since I'm not going to use them, so I thought of not including those products in today's video. यहीं पे रखे हुए हैं, अभी तक वो return pick नहीं हुआ है. So now I'm left with these two products. इसकी जो expiry date है वो सही है, मतलब it will expire in 25. So I have like enough time to finish this lipstick. ये जो lip liner है वो भी जल्दी expire कर जाएगा. Like it will expire in July 2022, but I thought it's still fine. Like I got this on a very good offer. I think इसकी actual price ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. Yeah, this one retails for 765, and I got this for like some 100, like around 200 or something. So I thought कि चलो ठीक है, lip product है तो I can keep it, और जब तक expire नहीं होगा तब तक I'll use it. So this is the liner I got, and this one is in the shade Rose, I think. Yeah, Rose, LL4. Let me open and swatch it for you. So this is how this liner looks like. It looks very pretty to me somehow. So let me swatch it for you. It's a very bright pink color. I didn't think it will be this bright, but that's okay. I think I don't have this bright lip liner. If you see, it doesn't match with the outer packaging. You see? I thought it will be like some dusty rose shade, like the name suggests, rose, but it's more on a pink side, bright pink side. So that was the lip liner, and this is the lipstick, and this one is in the shade, what is the shade? So I'm not able to find the shade of this lipstick. I think I'm so tired and I can't see the shade somehow, but yeah, I'll anyway mention the shade on the screen or in the description box. But this is how this lipstick looks like. I have already tried this formula. I have one shade from this lipstick. I don't remember the shade, but that shade is really pretty. And this one, I thought it will be a red shade, but it looks to be a very bright red shade. But I think that's fine. It's like more on orange side. So I hope you can see. This is the shade. I'm sorry I don't know the shade name, but I'll definitely mention that. Next, I got this liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild. It's from their Catsuit range. I have already tried this formula. I have the shade Give Me Mocha. That's a very famous shade. And this time I got the shade Rebel Rose. मतलब ये जो Catsuit liquid Catsuit का जो formula है वो काफ़ी अच्छा है. And इसके ऊपर कुछ discount था क्या? I don't remember. I think some 10% or something. I don't remember actually इसमें कोई discount था या नहीं. But you'll see that in the description box. So this is the shade Rebel Rose. It's a very pretty shade, right? It's a very unique and pretty shade. So next I have these two lipsticks from K Beauty. So K Beauty पे भी offer था. I think ऐसा कुछ offer था कि अगर आप इतना कुछ amount का product purchase करेंगे तो आपको एक ये जो crayon lipstick है वो free मिलेगी, something like that. So I bought one highlighter, which I've already shown you in the part 1, and then I bought this lipstick. So इन दोनों के साथ मुझे ये crayon free मिला. So this is their matte drama matte lipstick. या मैट ड्रामा मैट लिपस्टिक. सो मैंने के ब्यूटी के ना सारे प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई कर रखे हैं, बट मैंने एक ये लिक्विड लिपस्टिक, सॉरी ये जो मैट लिपस्टिक है वो नहीं ट्राई करी थी के ब्यूटी की, एंड आई थिंक उनकी जो आई शेडोज़ हैं वो भी मैंने ट्राई नहीं करे हैं। बट उसके अलावा मैंने ऑलमोस्ट जब भी के ब्यूटी का कोई नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च होता है ऑलवेज परचेज एंड ट्राई दैट प्रोडक्ट। बट ये लिपस्टिक ना मैंने अब तक ट्राई नहीं करी, मतलब काफ़ी टाइम हो गया है इसको लॉन्च हुए, बट मैंने इसको ट्राई नहीं किया। बट दिस टाइम आई थॉट कि चलो ट्राई करके देखते हैं कि ये लिपस्टिक फॉर्मूला कैसा है, सिंस इट वॉज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई आई डिडंट ट्राई दिस। के ब्यूटी के प्रोडक्ट पे नाम मतलब प्राइस तो एनीवे कभी मेंशन नहीं रहती है। आई थिंक दिस वन रिटेल्स फॉर more than 1,000 I guess. Don't quote me on that, but I think this one retails for more than 1,000 or something. So I got this drama lipstick, matte drama lipstick, and this one is in the shade Wrap Up. So this is how the inner packaging of this lipstick looks like. Again, very pretty packaging. Like I am in love with K Beauty पैकेजिंग, काफ़ी ज़्यादा एफर्ट करते हैं वो लोग पैकेजिंग में, बहुत ही प्रिटी पैकेजिंग है। ऑलमोस्ट सारी प्रोडक्ट्स की जो पैकेजिंग है ना वो काफ़ी अच्छी है। एंड या दिस इज़ द शेड रैप अप, दिस इज़ द शेड रैप अप, इट्स अ वेरी प्रिटी शेड एंड ये लिपस्टिक काफ़ी स्मूथ है, काफ़ी क्रीमी है, लाइक एकदम अप्लाई किया इतना अच्छा पिगमेंटेशन मिला। इट्स अ वेरी स्मूथ एंड वेरी क्रीमी लिपस्टिक, इट हैज़ लाइक पाउडर मैट फिनिश आई फील, and yeah, the shade is also very pretty. I'm looking forward to try this lipstick on my lips actually. Now let's see this shade. So this is their matinee lip crayon, and this one is in the shade Scripted. So this is the crayon lipstick. Crayon lipstick की packaging काफ़ी अच्छी है. Can you see? It's already coming out. काफ़ी सारा product तो बाहर ही आ गया है. It's crayon retractable pencil, but ये जो है वो जा नहीं रहा है अंदर, देयर इज समथिंग फॉल्टी। इट्स अ पिंकी न्यूड शेड, सो दिस इज द शेड स्क्रिप्टेड। इट्स अ नाइस शेड, बट आई थिंक लाइक इट माइट वॉश मी आउट, आई एम नॉट श्योर, मतलब मुझे अप्लाई करके देखना पड़ेगा। आई थिंक इट विल, बट इट यू कैन यूज दिस टू हाईलाइट like this. You can still use it, it's a pretty shade I feel. So yeah guys, those were all the lipsticks I got during this Nykaa Hot Pink sale. I know I got a lot of lipstick. Anyway, if you want to see my review on any of these lipsticks which I have shown you in today's haul, please let me know in the comment box. I'll be very happy to share my review, my thoughts about this lipstick formula with you guys. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video, this haul, and you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.